Okay, so we're gonna see how to use and install the Google Gemini AI. So first we have to install the package that contains the Google Gemini functionalities. So we can use pipe install Google Gemini, but I use PyCharm, so I like to use the pattern packages in PyCharm. So I will install the latest. So while it install, we can continue. We have to create a API key. We can follow the link here in Google to create it. Next, we have to import the package. Also uh, import a file called Google Gemini API key that I put a variable inside that contains the API key. So the file and the variable. So next we have to use we have a list here to use the Google models. The model I use is Gemini 2.0/001. That is the latest table of Gemini 2. The question is the contents. Why is the sky blue? So we'll see what the AI answer. We run this. I press Shift F10 to run it, and then we see the answer here from the AI. So I hope you can use it in your application. Uh, uh, Thank you very much.